級啊！我係阿詩，今日我哋炒葱茅炒聖子，好簡單嘅5 minutes recipe， 我同我老公諗出嚟㗎。材料就係呢7樣嘢啦：油、豉油、魚露、聖子、香茅、辣椒、葱頭仔，就咁樣我哋叫佢葱茅聖子。首先呢，同啲雞屎嘅靚隻 friend 啲，好着數㗎。你睇，同我湯咗幾乾淨 ，so nice，fat and juicy。阿強哥5分鐘搞掂啦，我攞返屋企，我淨係切嗰啲香茅啦。You only want the white parts, right？咪切你嘅葱頭仔啦，同埋啲辣椒啦。你驚辣嘅話，咁啊 you just remove the seeds, right？ 你可以唔加嘅，咁我 Malaysian 啊嘛，我中意少少辣噶嘛。咁加呢個3條其實冇咩辣噶，真係 OK 噶，你可以 handle 噶。Smash it to get the spice out. See, that's it. Only 3 items. 咁啊，首先呢 razor clam 啦，已經通好咗噶啦，要 cook it in boiling water. You see them curling up? They are done. Remove them immediately. Strain.Because they cook really fast, yeah? 咁啊之後呢，過冷河。This is to stop it from overcook and to keep it chewy. Now you heat up your wok. Add in your shallot. 你炒到你聞到啦，你嘅嗰個香味 shallot 嘅香味。都差唔多爛晒，咁佢會甜啲㗎。Then you add in your lemongrass。嗱，你聞到啦，個 lemongrass 嘅味啦，加辣椒落去。Now this is a medium high heat, yeah? Now you put in your razor clam.And very quickly, give it a quick stir. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. You don't need salt, you don't need anything else. 因為啲海鮮有自己嘅 umami taste from it, right?And that's it. Your razor clam is done. Don't overcook it, yeah? Because it's already almost cooked when you blanch it. It's that simple. 5 minutes. Give it a try. I guarantee you will love it.What I love about this dish is so simple, so easy. The natural goodness of all that umami seafood goes into that shallot. 你食啲葱頭仔都好好食啊，好甜，鮮甜 ，so good。我平時冇食咁多飯㗎。